Move gently to improve balance, ease knee tension, and feel stronger each day. Let's exercise together. Exercise 1. Gentle chest turn flow. Begin in a wide stance with your hands softly gathered at chest level. Turn your head and upper body to one side while keeping the hands steady, letting the movement open the chest and waist without force. Return through center and repeat with calm, even breathing. Exercise 2. Open arm turning balance. Open your arms wide at shoulder height and let your chest stay soft. Turn your head and torso to one side as one foot lightly extends away from the body, using the standing leg to stay grounded and the arms to guide balance. Exercise 3. Soft step hand lift. Step lightly as one hand rises beside the face and the other arm settles naturally by your side. Let the body stay relaxed while the weight shifts from foot to foot, keeping the rhythm easy and balanced as the movement supports coordination, circulation, and calm focus. Exercise 4. Turning arm sweep flow. Start with your feet grounded and both arms open wide. Let one arm float upward as the body turns. Then continue the turn until your torso faces the side. Keep the motion smooth and unhurried, feeling the shoulders open and the waist gently rotate. Exercise 5. Circle and turn flow. Hold your hands softly in front of the chest, with your feet grounded and relaxed. Let the arms rise in a smooth circle as the body turns. Then open the arms behind you with an easy chest lift, feeling the shoulders and waist move together. Exercise 6, forward push and draw back. Raise both hands in front of the chest with the palms facing forward, as if gently pressing the air away. Let the elbows soften. Draw the hands back into relaxed fists near the waist and feel the shoulders release while the breath stays calm and steady. Exercise 7, wide squat rising circle. Open your arms wide and settle into a strong, relaxed stance. Sweep the hands down as you sink into a wide squat. Then let the arms circle upward as the body rises. Keep the movement rounded and continuous, feeling the legs support the lift. Exercise 8, lunge, reach, and push flow. Settle into a long lunge with the front knee bent and the back leg extended. Let one arm rise first, then guide the hand forward into a steady push. Keep the chest open and the weight grounded, allowing the movement to build strength, focus, and balance. Exercise 9, wide side lunge shift. Place your hands on your hips and settle into a wide stance. Shift your weight to one side, bending one knee while the other leg stays long. Move slowly through the hips and thighs, keeping the chest calm and the body grounded. as you return to center. Exercise 10. Alternating side body flow. Begin in a wide stance with one arm curving overhead and the other hand resting low across the body. Let the arms trade positions in a gentle side-to-side rhythm, lengthening through the ribs and waist while the legs stay softly grounded. Great job today! You moved with control, improved your balance, and gave your body time to release tension naturally. Gentle Tai Chi can help support the knees, improve circulation, and keep the body feeling more flexible over time. Don't worry about perfect movements. Simply stay relaxed and keep moving consistently. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and enjoy the calm energy you created today. Come back anytime and exercise with me again.